As you move to the cloud, your focus is on developing and deploying your applications. You may think your existing security tools will work, but when challenges appear, your team needs visibility, but maybe in the dark. You need tools that are built for containers and Kubernetes like Sysdig Secure, so your team can ship applications faster while managing security risk. Secure your cloud from source to run with Sysdig. Get a single view of risk with no blind spots. Use rich context to prioritize what matters with no guesswork. Adopt a platform based on open standards with no black boxes. Let's dig into a few use cases and see how to manage risk. Continuously flag cloud misconfigurations and excessive permissions before the bad guys get in, and detect suspicious activity like unusual logins from leaked credentials with cloud security monitoring. All in a single console that makes it easier to validate your cloud security posture. With vulnerability management, you can automatically scan for vulnerabilities without images leaving production. Sysdig scans for vulnerable packages, leaked credentials, language-specific libraries, and much more. Prioritize fixes by focusing on the vulnerabilities tied to images running in production. No more scrolling through spreadsheets. And you can implement at several points in the SDLC lifecycle. Sysdig Secure leverages the Falco open source engine to detect runtime threats and abnormal behavior. Out-of-the-box policies provide comprehensive protection. A detailed record with Kubernetes and cloud metadata accelerates investigations. You need to pass compliance audits without slowing the release train. Sysdig helps you continuously meet compliance standards with an overview of your security posture, out-of-the-box policies, and an always-on audit trail that tracks file, network, and Kubernetes activity. Secure your cloud from source to run with Sysdig. Get started in only 5 minutes and learn why the largest and most innovative companies around the world rely on Sysdig.